September 19th. It's going to be a sad day. Mike is leaving. He has to head home for about a month. He's got things he needs to get taken care of back there and visit with the family. But he'll head back out west and hopefully be to Arizona in time for the van build. And since we ran into the Graham Cracker and ZenQuest journey, I don't have to be by myself, which will be nice. It's always fun to have people around when you're camping. I do have to stick around, where are we, Santa Fe, for at least another week because I've been contacted by, I guess I should look in the mirror before I turn the camera on. Gross. Anyway, I've been contacted by 2 companies to review 2 major products. So products that I'm really happy about, things that I have been wanting, and so one of them was finalized last night and will be in the mail today, and so I have to pick it up. The other one will probably be finalized fairly quickly, so until these things are done, I'm in Santa Fe, and then I'll start heading west. Right now we're heading to Walmart to, okay, sorry, looking at my GPS, to for me to do some shopping. I'll probably have a cup of coffee with Mike to say goodbye, and then we'll see what kind of trouble I can get into. Talk to you in a bit.
Bye.
Okay.
Need anything from me?
See you in about
About a month or so?
something
Well,
like that.
Yeah. A little over a month.
By November 1st.
Yeah. At the van
Okay.
build.
Drive safe.
Drive like hell, you get there quicker.
Say
right.
hi to the kids.
I will. Take care.
Okay. Love
If you
you.
need me, call me.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. Mike is off and running on his way to Georgia, and I'm just got done with my grocery shopping at Walmart, and now I'm going to head to Harbor Freight. I need a heavy-duty 12-volt plug for my refrigerator. I think the ones that I have, I think they were like $5 at Walmart, could be a problem. And so I think they have them at Harbor Freight. If not, I will go to like AutoZone or someplace like that. The ones that you get at, the ones that I have are not very heavy, and the wires are too thin, and I think I'm putting too much energy through the little wires, which is why my plug keeps messing up. This is the 4th plug for my refrigerator, so that's what I'm doing. Also, I need to get a 12-volt extension cord, and again, it needs to be a heavy-duty one, and I think they'll have those at either Harbor Freight or auto parts stores. So let's see, where am I going? I'm turning left. All right. I wanted to show you something I just got at Harbor Freight. This is a 35 amp hour AGM sealed battery. I'm looking for a battery just to run my little Dometic refrigerator. And the reason is, this is my old suitcase 100-watt solar panel that Ron put on top of my van for me last spring, or last January actually. These are the two 100 watt panels that charge my house battery, which is back there. Now the reason we put this up here is because it still works fine and I needed a place to store it. But now I'm going to use it and hook up to this battery because my refrigerator is in the front of my van and I need a way to power it. And I'm hoping that the 35 amp hour AGM battery, deep cycle battery, is going to be enough power. It was only, well, it was $69 minus 20% off. So I don't know, what is that, 55, something like that. So it'll be a test to see if it works. I got back to camp just in time for the storm to hit. You can't even see because the dust is so thick. So far, it rained a little bit a while ago, but now it's just wind. Oh, and we had thunder and lightning. That was cool. Anyway, because of this weather, you can't be out there or your mouth and eyes get full of dirt. I can't set up my solar panel with my new battery. So I won't know until tomorrow if everything works, but I'll show it to you. And you guys all have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.